Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. And in this episode, let's speak about the hydraulic tensioner a little bit in detail. Now let me show you that tensioner in the detail. This is the used unit which came out of 4Runner, where I was performing the timing belt service. When I perform those services, I always replace this unit. It costs approximately $40 to $50, and I believe it's worth putting a new one for another 80,000-90,000 miles. But some of you might disagree, and they will say, if it's good, there's no reason to replace it, and it's a waste of money. And for sake of argument, they might even know that the factory repair manual shows the procedures how to test it and possibly reuse it. And if you want to do something like that, this is basically what to check. First, you looking inside here on the seal, which is down there, and you look for possible leaks. I'm looking at this one, and there are no leaks whatsoever. And the second thing to check, if there is enough resistance on this pin, right? So you need to take this tensioner with the both hands, and you have to push against something. If the rod will start coming inside, it means it's too weak and it has to be replaced. Now, very important note. These tensioners always has to be handled in this direction. You cannot take it and push on something this way. Also, when I will be inserting that pin right now inside, this tensioner has to stay in this position. Not this way in the vise and not this way. That will be all wrong. I'm keeping this one and I want to put it in that brand new installation position. So come and join me right here. I will show you how I will do that. So I have that pin which was there before installation of new unit, right? This is the tensioner, and here is that rubber gasket or protective shield or whatever we will call it, right? So I will install this on it, and now I want to push that pin inside. But once again, as I said, you cannot put it in the vise and keep it this way or the other way. It has to stay in this position. I lost this rubber. That's okay. So now, how I will achieve that? Well, I will use this clamp and start pushing on that pin. Now, what is extremely important, besides that it needs to stay in this position, that this needs to be done extremely slowly to reach the position where I will be finally able to put this pin. This whole procedure needs to take over 1 minute. You cannot rush this, and you go very slowly, because this part has a play right in it. It's actually better to position it in that C-clamp this way. And when you are pushing it in, you have to pay attention. I'm looking against the bright area, and I can actually see through it finally. So I will try if that pin will fit there. And actually it went all the way through. Yes, this is perfect. And I'm ready to release that clamp. Here we go. And there is the tensioner prepared for maybe more use. We will see. See, the pin went all the way through, right? You can see it protruding on the other side. It's perfectly holding it in, right? It's not moving. This is fantastic, and depends on, right, who you are. If you want to reuse it, this is ready to be installed back in the engine. So my friend, I hope you find this video helpful and informative. If you liked it, please give it a thumb up and make sure you are subscribed, because I will have way more videos about Toyotas coming your way soon. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.